This video reviews solving a quadratic equation by undoing. So this equation, y equals 3 times the quantity x minus 2 squared plus 5, is an equation that is quadratic, and it is in what we call vertex form, which compares with standard form. This is the form that when we solve by undoing the PEMDAS steps. Again, undoing means we're going to take that parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide from left to right, and then add or subtract from left to right. We're going to start down here and we're going to go this way because we are undoing those steps that are being performed on the variable x. So actually that's what we're going to get into when we get into this question right here. So let's just talk for one quick second about find y when x equals 3. Remember, when we're doing this kind of problem right here, find y when x equals 3, all you need to do is use the trace function on your calculator. Okay? You're going to put the equation in just like this into your y equals. Do not put a number in for x right here. Don't put a number in. Just put this into your calculator. Then hit trace, and then put in 3 for x and hit enter, and you will find your y value. And the answer for this one when you do that is y equals 8. If you have your calculator, you should check to see that you are performing that correctly. All right. Now for find x when y equals 12. So in this situation, we are going to take and put 12 in for y. So I'm just rewriting the entire equation with 12 put in for y. Okay, now to solve by undoing, again, what we're going to do is we're going to use the PEMDAS steps. We're going to use addition or subtraction first to undo addition or subtraction. So since we have addition of 5 over here, we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. And then we're going to rewrite 12 minus 5 is 7 equals 3 times x minus 2 squared. The positive 5 and the negative 5 cancel. Now we're going to undo the multiplication or division that's being done. So we're going to divide by 3, and the 3's are going to, simplify. 3 divided by 3 is 1 over 1, and we have to remember to divide by 3 on this side as well. So 7 divided by 3 is 2.3 repeating, so 2.333 equals, and we're left with x minus 2 squared. Now we're up here to e for exponents. To undo our exponent, we need to square root. And we have to square root both sides. Remember, when you square root, your square root and your square cancel each other out, leaving x minus 2 on the right-hand side. And when we square root this side, we have to remember that we get a plus or minus answer here because positive or negative 1.572 will give us 2.333 when we square it. So we need that plus or minus, and then we square rooted 2.333 and got 1.572. Or, I'm sorry, that should be 27. 27. All right. For the final step, we need to get x alone still. We need to add 2 to both sides of the equation. When we do that, the 2 and the negative 2 cancel. We're left with x equals positive or negative 1.527 plus 2. Now we're not quite done here. We do want to simplify this a little further. So I'm going to bring that over here. So positive or negative 1.527 plus 2 means that x will either equal a positive 1.527 plus 2, or x will equal a negative 1.527 plus 2. When we add here, we get 3.527. And here, we're going to get 0.473. So those are our two answers for x, 3.527 or 0.473.